ladies and gentlemen. Good day. How are you doing today? My name is Olakunle Yinka, and I am the owner of ATM Mob Resources YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share, like, and also turn on the notification button. So today we'll be teaching you how to make money selling data, sending SME data, sending gifting data, sending corporate data, and make a lot of money through it. And please make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you finish it because I have a gift for you at the end of this video. Right? So today, like I said earlier, I'll be talking about how to make money selling data. So the website I want to be showing you, the website I'll be showing you now, they sell data at the rate of 230 per gig for MTN, 230, which you can as well set your final consumer at 300 naira or 350 at your own, depending on your own uh, calculated gain. So let's assume you are selling it at 300 naira minus 230 company price. You have a 70 naira gain per one person, per 1 gig you sold out. So let's assume you sell it to at least uh, 30 people per day. So that's that 70 naira multiplied by 30 people, that's 2,100 naira profit per day. And if you are lucky, you are a social person, you know how to communicate well online, and you are able to sell to 100 customers per day, that's 7,000 naira uh, profit per day. So now let's take the first example. Let's use the first example now. 30 customer, that's 2,100 naira profit per day multiplied by 30 days, that's 63,000 naira only on MTN. Only on MTN, that's 63,000 naira gain per month. So how do you start? How do you start making this money? So let's go to our Chrome. We have Opera Mini. Just open your Opera Mini. And we have Safari, open it, and then type atmhubs.com. So this is the website. You can scroll down. You can scroll down to learn more about the website. But what are we going to be doing? First, we have to register on the website. I'm looking for registration. Register on the website. All right. Right. So click on sign up or login. Anyone. Alright, you can easily create a new account from here. And then input your email address, your username, then your mobile number, your transaction pin, then your password, and then re-enter the password. This transaction pin is very important as it will be the one you'll be using to process your transaction on this website, and it should be around 5 digits, which is you can use 1 2 3 4 5 or anyone, just anyone. Just make sure it is 5 digits, and you must be able to remember every time. So then click on sign up. Now because I have registered before, so I'm not going to sign up again, so I'll just go and log in with my details. So you can click on remember me in case of next time, and then log in. So I'm waiting for the okay, this is our dashboard. Here you can click on download app. Click on download app. I'm looking for it. I easily click on download app. Okay, let's see. Okay, download app from here. So and also you can see all the menu here. which you can click on data, buy data, right? But before then, we need to fund our wallet, so we have to go back to how we can fund our wallet. So the first one is our funding, and then we have automatic funding. Here, three account number will be generated for you, and then you can use anyone to fund your wallet. Just make sure you transfer to the account number, any one of them. Make sure you transfer to the account number, and then the money will reflect on your balance here. And then we have the second one. I can't wait for the network. We have the second one, which is manual fund, which you can just send the money to the admin, and then admin will fund you manually. And then we have ATM funding, which you can select, type any amount you want to fund your wallet with. Let's say we want to fund our wallet with 50,000 naira, and then gateway we have Paystack, we have Monify, and then we have Flutterwave. So I won't go there because of our time. So let's go back to how we can fund, how we can buy data rather. So click on buy data on the dashboard, and then wait for the network to load. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share to your neighbor, to your friend, to your family. Don't forget to turn on the notification, because every time we upload video on this channel, on this particular channel, you'll be the first person to be notified about the video. Click on SME data. We have three types of data. We have SME data, we have data gifting, we have corporate data gifting. So just click on SME data, and then MTN, Blue, Airtel, Nine, just select MTN. So 1 gig is 230. Just click on 1 gig or any amount you want to buy. We have 500 MB, we have 1 gig, we have 2 gig, we have 3 gig, we have 5 gig, and then we have 10 GB. So let's just use 1 gig as an example. You can type your number and then your PIN, then buy SME data. Invalid PIN, because the PIN is not correct. As you can see, this number is an MTN number. If it's not an MTN number, this you'll be notified here that the number you type is not an MTN number. So that's the way you do it for Glow number, same way to Airtel number, and so on. Alright, so let's go back and see how we can buy airtime. Airtime. So this airtime, which is card, we have the VTU, we have share and sell, and we have airtime to cash. For those that have loaded much card on their phone, more than what they expected, so they can easily come and make it to cash here. So let's just click on airtime VTU, and then the network MTN, Airtel, Glo number. Click on MTN, then their phone number, and then the amount, which is 100 naira, and then the phone number, then their PIN. Just buy VTU, immediately it will deliver to the person's number. You can repeat the process for airtime, for Airtel, and then Glo, and then Nine Mobile. So this is where we stop for today. So the second video will be coming up, and we'll be discussing about how to buy cable on this website, and how to buy electricity on this website. So thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to be notified every time we upload a new video. And then the gift I promise uh, is that now that you have watched this video to the end and you are ready to become our agent, you are ready to make money for yourself, you are ready to sell data to people and make money. So all you have to do is register on this platform, fund it with minimum of 2,000 naira, and then send the proof to me. Tell with to prove to me with test that you are ready to become our agent, and then I will deliver your banner, free banner for you for the business. I will give you a free banner for the business. So thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.